So my name is Andreas Bongard. I'm a singer and actor from Germany. I studied musical theater in Germany at the University of Arts and also at New York University in the USA. And I'm very glad to be here at Sergio Arboleda University for a masterclass for musical theater singing. In my opinion, musical theater is acting through song and dance, like a singing actor on stage or a singing dancer. The acting element is always there. Yeah. Well, actually it's kind of the same because we have, Germany has like the second biggest musical theater market worldwide after Broadway actually. A lot of people don't know that, but it's like because all the productions are spread through the whole country, so we have a lot of musical theater going on in Germany and like in the German-speaking scene, like in all of Europe, so to say. It's actually not that different from what it is. Like we have a lot of shows like that are just the same than what they are on Broadway, for example, when they come over. It's just that in the USA there's much more history of musical theater, so you can tell that the genre comes from the USA. The advice I would give to anybody who wants to get into musical theater or to study is to take everything you can, like do workshops, take classes, like try to suck it all in, like try to get voice lessons, try to take anything you can, take any chance you can to get better and to make experience. It'll help you after all for everything you do, I think. I think that's great. I think it's great that the school wants to start a musical theater program. I've seen so much talent today in the workshop. I think it's a great art form, and I think it's awesome that this university has the courage to actually start this course. You know, I mean, in Germany, like 20 to 30 years ago, we did the same. Like just someone has to start with it, and then things get rolling. So it's great to have singing, acting, and dancing come together, and it's awesome that there is a university program now in Bogota where you can study this. Do what you like, follow your instincts, be true to yourself, have fun singing, acting, and dancing.